Hi there guys, welcome back to another PriceCP Roblox Studio tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to make a key on our keyboard that can toggle on and off the hotbar. So basically here I have a hotbar that displays all the tools that I have inside my backpack. For example, I have a new sword here, right? But sometimes the hotbar can block your view of other things on the screen and you want to put it away, you want to remove it so you can see other things on the screen. So today we're going to learn how to make a game with a key. For example, in this case, it is the H key for hotbar that can toggle on and off my hotbar. Let's now go to Studio and learn how to do that. Here we are inside Roblox Studio and we're going to go to our starter player scripts. You're going to enter a local script. You can name it toggle hotbar. Inside your script, just insert the following lines. In the top here, we're declaring all the different services. We're declaring the player service, the ContextActionService, and the starter GUI. In the next section here, we're getting the player, we're getting the character of the player, and we're getting the humanoid of the character. Here we're declaring a Boolean variable. We set it to true initially, and this is our action name. We name it toggle. This action name is going to be used in our bind action here. So it is just a name. You can name it whatever you want. Basically, when the player presses the H key, it's going to connect to this function here. Again, this first parameter is a name. You can name it whatever you want. And true here just means to put a button on the mobile device screen. So players who play this game on mobile devices, they would have a button on their touch screen that they can touch to activate this action. So when the player presses the H key, we're going to connect to this function. And this function is going to check the action, make sure it is the toggle action. In this case, it's always going to be true. So if you like, you can just remove this checking here. It does not matter. Here, we're also checking to make sure that it is the user input state begin. So basically, when you press a key on your keyboard, it's going to connect to this function multiple times. And you only want to process the action in this case when it is a user input state begin. Otherwise, you're going to be processing it multiple times. Here, we're checking our Boolean variable to see if it's true. If it is true, means the hotbar is currently on. So we're going to turn off the hotbar. And we change our Boolean variable to false. Otherwise, if it's currently false, then we're going to turn on the hotbar and we're going to change our Boolean variable to true. So that is the code to add a keyboard key that can toggle on and off the hotbar. Let us now play test again and take a look. I can use my laser gun here if I want to, and I can use the H key to toggle off and on my hotbar. Guys, thank you all for watching and we will see you in the next video. Take care everyone.